We walked arm in arm, but I didn't feel his touch. The desire I'd first tried to hide, that tingling inside, was gone. And when he asked me, "Do you still love me?" I had to look away. I didn't want to tell him that my heart grows colder with each day. When you love so long that the thrill is gone, and your kisses at night are replaced with tears, and when your dreams are on a train to train wreck town, then I ask you now, what's it got to do? He said he'd take me away, that we'd work things out, and I didn't want to tell him. But it was then I had to say, over the times we've shared, it's all blackened out, and my bat lightning heart